Could not be more delighted about how functional this operation has been so quickly.
That was Washington Governor Jay Inslee giving rave reviews on a visit to the mass vaccination site in Clark County today. The Fairgrounds site is administering about 3,000 doses this week, and it does appear to be going well.
But we know a lot of you are waiting to get a vaccination appointments there. Tim Gordon reports Inslee talked about the need for more vaccines today.
Washington Governor Jay Inslee, along with his Secretary of Health, met with leaders of the mass vaccination site in Ridgefield. Then they came out to see the drive-through clinic in action.
This is really slick to be in your car inside.
Inslee seemed impressed from the start. This is a collaboration of the State Department of Health, the Washington National Guard, Safeway Pharmacies, and the Fairgrounds. Its goal this week is 4 days of vaccinating an average of 750 people a day.
The fact that we've had multiple organizations working together to stand this up is just a thrill to me, because every one of these vaccinations is potentially saving a life.
Every person being vaccinated has a story. People like Kim Ellerick of Brush Prairie.
It's been a year since I've been out, so I'm thrilled. I live in a multi-generational family, and we've been very, very careful.
But for all those finding some relief in vaccinations today, there are many more who have to wait to even book an appointment here. That should get better, according to Secretary of Health, Dr. Umair Shah.
Once we have a better feel for what is going to be happening a few weeks out, obviously our goal is to try to make it as easy for Washingtonians to register and sign up.
That better feel should be coming soon, with the federal promise of a 3-week vaccine outlook for states and a 16% increase in vaccine delivery starting next week. The governor says Washington is already doing better.
We've gone from about 13,000 vaccinations a day to almost 40,000 a day in the last few days.
But if that creates a temptation for Oregonians to cross the border, Inslee says Washington may now make you show proof that you live or work in the state to get a shot in the arm.
We did send a message to our friends in Oregon that we want them to do their vaccination work in Oregon. I'm confident that that's going to work. So I really don't think this is going to be a problem now that we've made clear what the policy is.
Back out on the vaccination floor.
Did a good job.
Flu season got us ready for this.
Thank you, Mike.
Rob and Jackie Logue are grateful to be here.
I have COPD and congestive heart failure, so it means an awful lot to me.
Each injection delivering protection and also delivering some hope for the future. And in the meantime,
everybody wear their masks and we'll get it taken care of. We will. We've got to.
We are all in it together, and I can relate. My own parents in their 80s qualified for appointments, and today was their day. I shared in their relief as they drove through for the COVID-19 vaccine. Tim Gordon, KGW News.